Show them our cookies. Put that in there. Good. Good job here. Wow. That's our oil. Gotta put our oil in there. Good. Make sure you get it all out. Shake it out. Good. Yeah. Oh, be careful. Okay. Yeah, Mama's gonna scrape the bottom. All right, and put it down again. Go slow. All right, lock it over there. Get that and scrape it off of there. All right, hold it right over there. Okay, there you go. Mix that in. Put these up. There you go. There you go. Okay. Get a big spoon. And then go flat like that, just a little bit. That one by yourself. Good. Good job. Look. Stir it up for me. All right, let's go put it back in the microwave. Be careful. It's getting melty. I don't know. Did we do good? Yeah. You want to try a bite? Oh. There we go. All right. I know we got our aprons on. Oh, that's a big one. Hold on, let me put some here. All right, where you want to put that? All right. All right, got some more in there? Oh, we... Okay, let me get another spoon there. I'm gonna do, watch Mama. Okay, we're gonna take some of this and look, we're gonna drizzle it on the cookies, okay? All right. Drizzle it over the cookies. Just go back and forth, baby. Okay? Look, we gotta put some on these up here. Go back and forth. There you go. Good. Good. All right, gonna shake some sprinkles on them. Shake them all over. There you go. Camera. Show them our cookies. Pick which you want, that one. Hold on, we're gonna try it on camera. All right, ready? Cheers. Look, cheers. Cheers. Oh, those are good. Those are good.